Hey, we just left our home and we are on our way to Mui Wo. Our friends invited us to visit their place, spend the day on the beach and have some pizza. So we are just on our way to take the ferry from Central to Mui Wo, Lantau Island, and we'll see how it goes. So that's what we're leaving behind. Alright, we're walking here on the avenue towards the ferry pier. It's a really sunny day today. Lucky for that. On the way to the ferry pier, we met our friend Tuomo and his daughter Valerie. And a little bit of refreshments. Alright, beer number 6. Mui Wo. Street art in the spirit of Lantau, the blue taxi, some stray cats, some refreshments, and of course the big Buddha. And we approach the ferry itself and hop on board. We got here with the ferry. Thanks for the ride.
You are welcome.
So first thing what you see in Mui Wo, the huge amount of bicycles. We are enjoying the views of Mui Wo while we wait for our friends Oliver and Kaki. Oh, hey man! How you doing? So you came with your bike?
Of course.
That's how the people in Mui Wo do, huh? So Oliver is leading the way. He knows all the places around here. Where are you taking us?
All the best places. We will have some lunch. Light lunch.
Light lunch. What's good here?
What's good? We'll life's good here.
Yeah.
Let's go to see if we can eat some chicken wings and some.
Chicken wings, excellent. What do you think?
Nice.
Wow.
Haluatko tässä syödä hedelmää?
Oli.
I approve.
After the lunch, we decided to go to the supermarket to buy some groceries.
What should we buy? What should we buy? I have no idea. I'm just walking here, pretending I know something about it. While the ladies are actually doing all the shopping.
Surprise visit. My friend Lasse comes straight from the airport to join us.
No niin, päivää.
Kiva nähdä.
Good mood.
You came from the airport.
Yes, directly from the airport.
Yeah, you look like you're going to a business meeting.
Yes. I wasn't prepared for the plus 29 degrees Celsius.
So nice.
Was not on my planning list to come here, but
Yeah,
I'm here now.
Surprise visit it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, good to see you.
Heipä hei.
Mui Wo beach looks really tempting and peaceful. Here.
Oliver and Kaki's place is about 15-minute walk from the Mui Wo ferry pier.
We are approaching Kaki and Oliver's place, so this is their front yard. How is it going? Little hike. We are reaching Oliver and Kaki's place. Very, very peaceful. It's like a paradise. Unbelievable view from their living room. Just mind-blowing. And this is still Hong Kong. It's so hard to understand. And this is the best part. Going upstairs. They have a private rooftop. It's so much space. Imagine having your morning coffee here and then taking the ferry to Central.
You put wood here.
Onko hieno?
And then you get flames.
Lasse, teillehän menisi tommonen
It's good for the winter, you know, when it's cold. I
Right.
remember when it's cold, you can warm.
And how about this one?
Siinä oikeasti kasvaa muuten sieniä.
No wow.
ensimmäinen ovaalinmuotoinen kolmesta pizzakivestä koostuva. Kyllä se niinku totta kai tuo pyöriviä ei kovin monta.
Hei, nyt on koko ajan enemmän.
Ainakin se on näköisiä.
Se on hyvä.
Todella hyvä. Now it's highlight of the day. Ice hockey championship.
Tietääkö kukaan mitenkä päin se menee noin? Ei aavistusta.
Ruotsi.
first need to sort out which player goes where. It's been more than 20 years since we all played this game last time.
Kyllä me varmaan jotain keksitään.
What do you have here, Oliver?
Pizza toppings.
Pizza toppings.
Crap. Yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna be a poor man's pizza.
Poor man's
No
pizza.
meat.
No
No
meat,
cheese.
no cheese. Yeah.
Just herbs.
Veggies.
You always wanna cook the mushrooms before you put them on the pizza because they release so much liquid moisture.
That's it.
Ennen kuin maali vaan. Ei.
Then it was finally time for the game. It had been like 20 years since any one of us had been playing this game before. And now it was time to see who still has the skills.
Did you see it? Didn't see that coming.
Very exciting. 2-1. Game on.
No näytä nyt mitä te olette Keravalla oppineet. Mikä se Keravan tiimi on? Eihän se ole Shakers. Mikä? Ei se pelaisi SM millään. Ei ihme, että se on se parhaat. Sieltä syöttö. Laita pelaaja. Laita syöttää keskelle ja laukaisee! Oi! I lost this guy. Oh. Joy! I think it almost went in. Ja ei ollut sisään. Ei todella. Missä se on?
Goal! Oliver scored.
Sweden won.
Sweden won. Well done.
After the match, it was time for some more pizza.
There's some. What did we put? Valerie, can you remember what did we put? We put some cheese, some Parmesan cheese, and some mozzarella cheese, and some peppers, and some ham. It's not prosciutto. Yeah, fresh oregano.
Otatte kokin siihen viereen kanssa. Tää viikuista, että ei oo pelkkä Photoshop enää vielä uuden.
Se on oikeesti. Oho, kyllä.
Oliver is investigating his pizza.
No, we speak Finnish, do you understand?
Onko tää meidän kolmas pizza? Voidaan pitää big break.
No. We speak beautiful.
Mui Wo is preparing for the night.
No aina kun mietitään, katsotaan se maku eka. Joo.
No konsepti on.
Jos jossain nyt kimchi, niin
Wow, what's on that one?
It's a spicy pepperoni with some red onions and mozzarella, parmesan, and we're gonna top it up with some ricotta.
Unbelievable.
Mä olen sen rikon.
Nämä on kaikki.
Aika hyvä.
Mä en ole tajunnut, että tässä lompakossa
Voi nostapa tuo, katsotaan tuolla.
Henkka pitää mulle lahjaksi.
Joo.
Tässä on niinku semmonen paikka.
All right.
Mä löydän
Pizza one after the other
ja sit jos mä jätän sen jonnekin.
for the hungry people. While we were busy making more pizzas, Valerie wanted to challenge her dad for an ice hockey match.
Tikoitunut, elegantti.
Kyllä, semmonen niin kuin jopa ehkä vähän viettelevä.
Joo,
Näytellään.
joo. Kuka ei seuraa mua somesta?
Eihän. Tarvii.
The sun just set behind the mountain and we are preparing for an evening snack and a few drinks and start to close up for the night. Thank you so much for joining us this Mui Wo day, and if you liked it, give me a thumb up or leave a comment below. After the sun had set, Oliver's inner timber woke up.
Missä Turussa?
Turussa opiskelin. Mutta että en Helsingissä mä en kauhean hyvin kyllä.
The master himself.
Niin se riippuu.
After we finished burning some of the furniture, we took a little walk down to the Mui Wo village. And on the way, Kaki and Oliver showed us some street art. It was pretty unique. We had a few drinks and came back to Mui Wo town. And now it's time to head back. See you next time.